Now that I have my tiger paw imported and placed on my keychain, I'm going to add some text. This can be the letters for your school, or you may want to make a keychain with your first name or initials. I'm going to use school initials on this keychain. For my example, I will use CSMS. You can use the letters for your school. From the Basic Shapes menu, find the text shape and drag it to the work plane. You can see that you have different fonts available for this shape. We are going to use the multi-language font. Where it says text, I will change it to CSMS. You can resize the text by grabbing the corner handle and dragging it. If you want to keep it proportional while you are resizing it, hold the Shift key down while you drag it and resize it. Now we are going to place the text on the keychain. To get more precise placement, you can change the snap grid. So I'm going to change it from 1/16 of an inch to 1/32 of an inch. And then I'm also going to use my arrow keys, my left and right arrow keys, and you can use your up and down arrow keys to center it more precisely onto the keychain. You can also use the Align tool to align the text to the keychain. The first thing you're going to do is select the things that you want to align. I want to align the text and the keychain, so I'm just going to select those things. I'm using my left mouse button and creating a rectangle over the things that I want to align, and then let go. Once you do that, you will see that the Align tool option pops up. So you can click on that and you see some black dots. You can hover over these to get a preview of what it will look like. All right, if you make a mistake, no worries, just click undo. If you don't want the text to be raised, but instead you want the words to be engraved into the keychain, you can do that. First, click on the text, and then go to the Shape Inspector window. From there, you're going to make it a hole. All right, let's see what this looks like. We're going to select everything by holding the left mouse key and creating a rectangle over everything. All right, we're going to let go, and then we're going to hit the Group tool. This will group everything together and make a hole where the letters are. I have found that when the text goes all the way through the keychain, it may cause some problems with the printing. Let's raise it up a little bit so that it doesn't go all the way through. First, we will undo by hitting the back button. Now we're going to click on the text, and we're going to raise it up. So we're going to take this little cone or triangle, we're going to click on it, and we're going to raise it up. We don't want to raise it too far. We don't want to raise it above the keychain. We want it to sink into the keychain, but just a little bit. Okay, let's group this together and see what it looks like. I think that looks good. I'm going to change this to a different color so I can see better. I actually like it better when the text is raised above the keychain, but I wanted to show you how to engrave in case that's how you wanted to do it. So to go back, I'm going to click on the keychain. I'm going to click on Ungroup. I'm going to click on the text, and I'm going to change it back to solid. Now I have to lower it back down. Okay, and I'm going to regroup it. I'm also going to change the color again. All right, looks good. You're ready for the next step. Thanks for watching.